Hi there. Today I will show you how you work with consignment inventory locations in trade. So first of all, you will, if you go and have your mouse over or inventory, you will have a tab called consignment, and that will show you whatever consignment inventory locations that you have available. So these are ones you will create yourself depending on a customer. I will in short minutes show you how. But this is where you can go in and kind of go into the consignment inventory location afterwards. So how do I create a consignment inventory location? So what you will do is that you will go to your customer list. You will find a customer that you would like to create a consignment inventory location on. So this could be, let's just take, we'll do this one. Edit, go into the customer. Now you have this section called consignment. We'll click that one, and you will then activate the consignment for this specific customer. So now we'll have changed to go to Consignment Profile, which allow us to go into this specific consignment inventory location. What you will do first of all is that you will have to attach the products that is located on this specific consignment inventory location, and that can be done by either by creating or adding the products that you would like to have on this consignment. So for this case, we will choose 3 items, press save, and we will now have to put in, so as you can see, there's nothing in the location at the moment. To change this, we can do one of two things. Either we can move it from our current inventory, or if we have something at the location already and we just want to state what's at the location at the moment, we will choose regulate. So we can do both of them here. If we do regulate, we will just open up so we're able to type in a number. So that could be like this, and we will regulate it. So this will just put whatever we want into the inventory location. So this will be, in fact, if we do a status, or if we already have some products allocated on a different location, we just want to type that in. The other part is the move. So move means, as it sounds, that we take something from a location and move it into the location that we're at the moment. So in this case, you might want to move something from your in stock location in trade. So we can go here, and all right. And in regards to whatever, we can do we have to choose a shipment. So you have to have created a shipment setup in trade. If you don't have it and you're starting to working with consignment, please reach out to your contact person in trade to help you get starting with the shipping as well. So here we'll just choose GLS and we will press move. So as you can see here, nothing has been moved yet because we haven't fulfilled the shipment yet. Again, comes down to having a whole shipment setup flowing. But in this case, we can go in to our shipments. And we can see here that a new shipment has been created. We can go in and pick it. For this case where we handle everything ourselves. In cases where you have a warehouse attached, it will go through them. But in this case, we will just fulfill the shipment. So we have it in, filling everything here. So filling this will create an open invoice that you of course have to apply. It will be at 100%, so you don't charge anything at the moment, but you're moving inventory. So you kind of have to get it out of your in-stock in trade and move to the other location. In this case, you will see here a invoice has been created to the total amount of 0, which will mean that if we go to our consignment, go here, you will now see that we have our inventory in that we just moved, shipped, and invoiced. So this is how this works. At some point you will have to register sale so you can invoice your consignment customers. What you're going to do there is that you're going to use the button called register sales. So register sales is a import function, so you will have to create a import sheet. This will be done in Excel or Google Sheets if you use that. Just remember to create it as a CSV file. I will show you how. So you're going to use 4 columns: a date, the SKU of the product, the quantity of which has been sold, and then you have a price as well, so you are able to regulate the price that this product has been sold for on a current day. Today we will do 20 3.16. So it's important that your date format is year, month, day. For the SKUs, we're just going to try to see if we can't find one here. And we have sold some as well. Sold one of each. So here we will now download it as a CSV file. Down here, go back, and now ready to register sales. And upload. So when confirmed to register sales, you'll be able to see here that we have had sales on today's date, and it will be withdrawn from the quantity part of it. What you then do is at some point you would wanna invoice them. So what you want to do at that point is that you're going to select all the sales that you want to invoice, press invoice selected. This will then do an invoice, and as you will be able to see here is that you now have an invoice on the 2 pieces that we did. If we go into it, so this is how you easily use consignment orders. If you at any point have any questions or want to get started with this, please reach out to us and we'll be glad to assist you in creating your first consignment inventory location.